I'd take a sweatshirt if you had it.
Okay.
I don't want to be, if you don't have it, don't spend any money, dude.
How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm sorry, that's cool. You're making noise.
Oh, you're fine. Is there anything I can do to help you out today?
I'd take a sweatshirt if you had it.
Okay.
I don't want to be, if you don't have it, don't spend any money, dude.
It's all right. All right, no problem. Hey, I got you a sweatshirt here. Sure.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Yeah, I got you one here, so you can replace that sweatshirt with that one.
Warmer now, but I got cold, I just got cold.
Yeah, I understand, man.
You gotta get out of the wind.
I hope that sweatshirt can help you stay warm. And
Oh, it's so hard. I was hurt.
you eaten already today?
Yeah, I've had plenty to eat, pretty much.
I got a couple bucks for you too, man.
Are you sure?
Yeah, here you go. Next time you get dinner, it's my treat, okay?
You a lighter or something? Hey, you want a flashlight?
I got one though. I appreciate that. You keep that for yourself, all right?
Thank you.
You have an excellent day, okay?
What's your name, dude?
I'm Randy.
Randy, I appreciate it.
No problem, brother.
I feel better.